I just want to thank you for coming to the corner today. And since you're here, you might as well check this out. Okay, here it is. The culprit, or the issue that I'm dealing with, is just an unsightly rust area here for the, that's where we put the bleach. Yeah, that bleach did a number. Pretty rusty there, and I'm going to sand that and get some appliance paint, which I have already. Get that painted up. Here it is, Rust-Oleum Appliance Epoxy. I have some 80 grit here, that's pretty coarse, and some 100 and some 180. So I will use those. I'm going to put something down there to collect the sand dust. Okay, I'll put this old washcloth as a rag now, and since it's white I should be able to see the dust shavings a lot easier. I don't feel any rust underneath there, just maybe a little bit right here. Not sure how I can spray paint under there, but we'll see. All right. I'll jump down to the 100. And now to the 180. Okay. Let's rag out. I wanted to see the fact that I was getting everything. Try a little. Totally awesome, works pretty good. We actually use it with our laundry. Pappy's son being a mechanic by, he gets a lot of grease on his clothes, and we spray it with a degreaser, and it takes most of it out. Doesn't get it always, but okay. We'll let that dry a bit and try some painting. Okay, I always like to do a bit of a test spray so I get a feel for how it's coming out. Looks like that's going to apply very nicely. Everything's dry now. Color match is good. I'm going to let that dry for a bit and I'll give it another coat. Okay, well I think for while that's drying, you've seen these bags of cheap foam brushes, you know, they're really $1.250 for a whole bag of them, and they're not very good as long as you're prepared to use it once and throw it away, you know. But this is how I think. While that's drying, I'm going to soak this. Maybe I should just do it here. We'll see what happens. Plan is to get in underneath here. Looks like it's working. Okay. Okay, meantime, while that's drying, I happen to notice that this cover plate is awfully rusty and dirty on the inside, even though it's plastic. I need to clean that. So, thought I'd go ahead and do that while it's drying and keep things moving forward. Thanks for coming to the corner today, and nothing super exciting going on other than a little beautification of the washing machine. You know, if you have a little extra time, you can do things like that around the house to help improve the aesthetics. I might even have to take some sandpaper to this thing. Kind of impregnated some rust right into the plastic. I don't want to recontaminate the nice paint job. So I might go find some Scotch-Brite or something like that and scrub that on there. Just a little bit of rusty poo on there. And spray it right on the Scotch-Brite. Oh yeah, it seems like that's taking it off. Sometimes you gotta get aggressive. Fortunately, it's not up top where it's visual. If I make scratches underneath here, no one's gonna see it. I'm just gonna kind of rinse it off here with the spray. Wipe it off. There you can see it's looking a lot better. There was a little bit here on the top, but there, much better. Okay, I got to reading on the can here that may recoat within 1/2 hour or after 1 week. So it's just barely tacky to the touch. So I'm going to go ahead and give her another coat. Well, see, there was a glob that came out there, and I don't like that. Oh, covered right up. Okay. I like how the color matches. Like I said, I have used this before, and well, I don't know if it was this brand, but Epoxy Appliance paint on our refrigerator. Probably 20 some years ago I used it, and I was real impressed with it. And here again I'm trying it, Rust-Oleum product. So yeah, I'm not so sure I even need to give it a third coat, but I'll let that dry for a few minutes and we'll see how it looks. Okay, it's the next day, and I did apply a third coat last night, and now it's dried overnight. I'll go ahead and I'll put in the little cup here. And the dog's barking at something. And there it is. A little bit of a run there, but and remember, do something nice for someone today. Be